Ever feel like owning a home is just a distant dream? You're not alone. Imagine if I told you there are hidden secrets that can take you from having $0 in savings to becoming a homeowner faster than you ever thought possible. Sounds intriguing, right? Stick around, because in today's video, we're uncovering the mystery secrets to saving for a home down payment. Trust me, these aren't your typical tips. These are game-changing strategies that most people have never heard of. Ready to unlock the door to your new home? Let's dive in. In this video, I'll share some powerful, lesser-known strategies that can help you save for a home down payment, starting from zero. I will share 4 secret tips, along with a bonus tip that can transform your path to home ownership. So let's get started. Meet Sarah, a young professional who was renting a small apartment and struggling to save for a home down payment. She thought buying a home was out of reach until she discovered these unconventional strategies. In just 3 years, Sarah went from having nothing saved to proudly holding the keys to her new home. Her journey shows that with the right approach, anyone can achieve home ownership. On this channel, we break down complex financial strategies into easy-to-understand tips to help you achieve your dreams. Whether you're looking to save for a home, invest wisely, or manage your money better, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Secret number 1. Automate your savings. Automating your savings is a game changer because it makes the process effortless and consistent. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account, you ensure that a portion of your income is saved regularly without having to think about it. This helps you build your down payment fund steadily and prevents the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. Over time, these automatic contributions add up, making a significant impact on your savings goal and bringing you closer to home ownership. Secret number 2. Side hustles and additional income. Increasing your income through side hustles can greatly accelerate your path to saving for a home. Side gigs, like freelancing, tutoring, or selling handmade items, provide an additional stream of money that can be dedicated entirely to your down payment fund. This extra income not only boosts your savings faster, but also reduces the reliance on your main paycheck for reaching financial goals. By dedicating your side hustle earnings to your home savings, you'll see your down payment fund grow much more quickly than with your primary income alone. Secret number 3. Smart budgeting and cutting expenses. Effective budgeting and cutting unnecessary expenses are crucial steps in saving for a home down payment. Start by tracking your spending to identify where your money goes each month. Create a budget that prioritizes savings for your down payment while covering essential expenses, like rent and utilities. Look for areas where you can trim costs, such as dining out less frequently, negotiating lower bills, or canceling unused subscriptions. Every dollar saved can go directly toward your goal of home ownership, accelerating your progress and ensuring you're financially prepared for your future home. Secret number 4. Take advantage of programs and grants. There are several programs and grants specifically designed to assist first-time homebuyers in achieving their homeownership dreams. One common option is the FHA loan, which offers low down payment requirements and flexible qualification criteria. Additionally, many states and local governments offer down payment assistance programs that provide grants or low-interest loans to help cover upfront costs. Some programs, like the VA loan for veterans and USDA loans for rural homebuyers, offer specific benefits tailored to qualifying individuals. Researching these options and understanding their requirements can significantly reduce the financial burden of purchasing your first home, making homeownership more accessible and affordable. Bonus tip: investing wisely. Wise investments play a crucial role in growing your savings for a home down payment. While saving money in a traditional savings account is safe, it often yields minimal returns. Investing in low-risk options like mutual funds, index funds, or bonds can potentially generate higher returns over time. These investments allow your savings to grow faster than inflation, increasing the purchasing power of your down payment fund. However, it's essential to balance risk and return, especially when saving for a short-term goal like a home purchase. By diversifying your investments and staying informed about market trends, you can maximize your savings and accelerate your journey towards home ownership. Achieving home ownership from $0 to homeowner is within reach with these proven strategies. Automate your savings to build consistency. Explore first-time homebuyer programs and grants to reduce upfront costs. Consider side hustles to boost income. Budget wisely by cutting unnecessary expenses, and invest strategically to grow your savings faster. By implementing these steps, you can accelerate your path to owning a home and achieving financial stability. Take action today by starting small and gradually increasing your efforts. Your dream of homeownership is closer than you think. Let's make it a reality together. As we wrap up, remember that the journey from $0 to homeowner begins with taking the first step. By implementing the strategies we've discussed today, you're setting yourself up for success. Don't let the dream of owning a home remain a dream. Start today by making small changes that will lead to big rewards. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Finance Fusion for more financial tips, and share this video with friends who are also on their journey to homeownership. Thank you for watching, and here's to your future home. If you want to know about 6 transformative frugal living tips that smart people follow, watch the video on the end screen.